every rate I pay. Fiverr's watching me. Every tip I earn, every brief I learn, every 5-star turn, every midnight burn. Fiverr's watching me. Since you left that tip, I've been a ghost online, trying to rank my gig, trying to beat that climb, but the owl goes tight. It don't sleep at night, still I grind and I write. Oh, can't you see? You're my only fee. My gigs not in that queue, while Fiverr's watching you. Every single day, client wants it yesterday. Every script I slay, every rate I pay. Fiverr's watching me. Oh, can't you see? You're my only fee. My dreams are in that queue, while Fiverr's watching you.